Not all content is created equal. We're the Chalk Factory, and we specialize in creating content that is designed to help your business achieve its objectives. We work with corporate clients in Johannesburg and Pretoria who have a product or service that the general public don't know about or don't fully understand to create content that effectively engages their target audience while educating and driving customer action to help them reach their business objectives. With our corporate video production, we tailor a solution that is specific to your business's objectives by combining 4 key ingredients: your brand positioning, your target audience, your project goals, and our production capabilities to create content that is visually attractive, speaks to who you need it to, in a voice that's authentic to your brand, about what you want them to know to help you drive the customer action you're after. We're ready to work with you to create awareness, tell your story, engage, educate, help generate better quality leads, and so much more to help your business become a leader in your industry. With brand image creation, we create an inventory of high-quality brand and purpose-specific images for your company, which means you and your team will be equipped with a bank of professionally shot photographs to use across all your platforms, from websites and social media to pamphlets and posters, making sure your brand is communicated consistently everywhere it's encountered. We understand how challenging it can be when your business has ambitious targets, but you feel like you don't have everything necessary to achieve them yet. And we also know how crucial it is that every cent spent pursuing them yields a healthy return on investment for your business. It's because of this that our services are 100% focused on delivering your company value. Here's how. We manage the projects from start to finish, whether you have just an idea or a full script. Once we know what's required, we'll create a detailed action plan with clear milestones that will guide us all the way from concept to delivery of your final product. We also staff our crews with skilled professionals, from lighting to audio and everything in between, to ensure quality along every aspect of your project. Our mission is clear: to help you create a world where every day more and more people learn about, trust, and choose your services to better their lives. Don't miss an opportunity to equip your business with the digital content it needs to succeed online. Call us on 060-400-7753 or send an email to projects@thechalkfact.com and we'll get started on your project ASAP.